Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So currently I'm looking at NZD/USD. For NZD/USD, last week I gave you this trade whereby we traded lower into the breaker block right there. You can use all three of them, you can use one of them, right? And then in here we found support on lower time frame. We got into this trade and we traded high. All right, taking something off right there, and the rest of this chunk here was bonus. So this week being NFP week, let's see what to expect on NZD/USD. All right, so currently we have heard market already trade right above this area, which I was actually hoping that they don't get to trade all the way above here. I was hoping that they would have reversed somewhere in here and then go down, but nevertheless, that's fine. Right, that only just affects the area where we're going to take profit. All right, so taking a look at, I'm sure this was marked in the previous chart. We come down, take sell side liquidity. We traded up, we broke market structure. We've been trading order blocks in here, coming back to trade order blocks. Right, continue, break above, come back, trade order blocks, right, doing the same thing, right? So we expect the bullish institutional order flow to keep on doing the same thing, right? So a closer look at this area here, we still have a little bit of fair value gap, right? That we might want to close, and in here we have something as well. So I'm going to be using this buy entry zone, which is this order block right there. Why? Because we traded high above, we came down as low to trade even the last down close candle before reversing. So I would say the next area of interest would be exactly this zone here. But also being in mind that we also have another one right up there. So if price does come down here, taking sell side liquidity or sell stops right in there, and we get a market structure break in here, we can activate our buys, right? Even though I believe that price would most likely want to trade as low as the 0.5720 institutional level. And in here, if we either get a breaker block, all right, or a mitigation block, as in this case, we can activate our trade. Right, so these are going to be areas where we seek to take profit until we trade above the borders of the candles in here, which is the 0.5880 institutional level. Right, so don't forget that this week is NFP, so trade responsibly, and hopefully we can get something off NZD/USD.